Sagoa means apple. Sagoa. Avocado means avocado. Banana means banana. Banana means banana. Phimang means bell pepper. Phimang. Phang means bread. Phang.
Broccoli.
Broccoli means broccoli. Photho means butter. Yang beju means cabbage. Cake means cake. Sathang means candy. Thangun means carrot. Thangun. Kokyong beju means cauliflower. Celery. Celery. Chizu means cheese. Cherry means cherries. Chocolate means chocolate. Cilantro means cilantro. Coffee means coffee. Cookie means cookie. Уксусу means corn. Ui means cucumber. Bandu means dumpling. Thaigal means egg. Khaji means eggplant. Kherammari means egg roll. Kherammari. Khoil means fruits. Kimbap means gimbap. Podo means grapes. Kachikum means green beans. Ice cream means ice cream. Jelly means jelly. Jusu means juice. Kimchi means kimchi. Lemon means lemon. Mango means mango. Uyu means milk.
Muffin.
Muffin means muffin. Phosot means mushroom. Khupsu means noodles. Yangfa means onion. Orange means orange. Pancake. Pancake means pancake. Puksunga means peach. Tangkung means peanut. Phe means pear. Khung means peach. Pineapple means pineapple. Pizza means pizza. Kamja means potato. Khubak means pumpkin. Shal means rice. Sandwichy means sandwich. Khop means soup. Talgi means strawberry. Thumathu means tomato. Bhujinge means vegetable pancake. Yache means vegetables. Khodo means walnut. Mol means order. Shubak means watermelon. Ubak means zucchini.